Hello everybody. So Shop is a mobile platform which is connecting retailers, the mom and pop store, the traditional Kirana guys directly with the brands so that they can buy products within 24 hours. They don't need to keep an inventory for 7-10 days. They didn't know so that they don't need to meet 70 plus sales executive visiting Kirana shops every week and taking an order on a piece of a paper so that the retailers don't need to shut down the shop and go to the wholesale market to purchase all the unorganized traditional products, right? So it's a vision to empower retailers because in India there are more than 9 million individual retailers who do a business of $500 billion every year and are connected with 92% population of this country. It's a sin if you ignore these Kirana guys. They are here to stay. They will be here. They will be here, but they need to transform themselves. So we are transforming retailers so to become really very smart. And when you connect the traditional retailers directly, like all the traditional retailers on a single mobile platform, the platform becomes bigger than any other brand. So we started empowering retailers a year back, and today we have 2000 plus retailers using our mobile product to source products from more than 95 plus brands, and we are doing 500,000 sales every day in just Indore city with only 2000 retailers. And so this is the retailers part, and from the brands perspective, like brands have a huge pain problem in reaching to like cities and reaching to retailers because they're totally dependent upon like distributors. So we launched, because we already have like thousands of retailers on a mobile platform, so we launched 10 plus brands successfully in our city without brands investing in like distribution model and wholesale, like in wholesalers, in creating CNF and stockists. So we saved their money, we saved their huge margin, and obviously it becomes like exclusivity. So it's a need of every brand to reach to like retailers in every corner of the city. And for me, retailer are the platform to reach 92% population of this country. So in Law City, we are like indirectly connected with 4 to 5 lakhs of a population with our 2000 retailers. So this is the idea. This is a very long term valuation which we are seeing, and the team, like I'm a salesman. I'm selling since 10th standard. I sold 30 different products and from different industries. And I'm a MBA. And another co-founder is Deepak Dhanotia. Deepak is a NITI Mumbai pass out. He's a supply chain guy. He was working in PNG as in supply chain of a product called Tide. He's a gold medalist in GATE. And third co-founder is Sumit Ghodawat. Sumit Ghodawat is also ex PNG. He was working in Asia Team Launch. He's a Carnegie Mellon pass out, BITS Dubai pass out. He's a chemical engineer.